Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add users and assign roles on your Shopify store. And I'm going to go ahead and explain to you how all of this works, right? So once you're inside your Shopify store, you want to go ahead and go down to where it says settings on the lower left hand side. And from here, you'll be taken over to where you have the settings. Now, the first thing to know is that before you're able to add any kind of users to your Shopify store, it's important for you to have the correct subscription. And I'm going to show you. On the left hand side, if I click users, there's an option to basically add user right here. And if I try to click and add, you will see that it is going to give me a pop-up and say that I need to change my package. Now, if I click and view pricing right here, this is going to basically take me over to the different prices and of different subscription that Shopify has. And in order to add users, you need to have at least the Grow plan, and that's going to allow you to add 5 users, while the Advanced allow you to add 15 users, and the Plus allow you to add unlimited, right? And so if you have any one of the Grow, Advanced, or Plus, you can just add users that you will give them different roles so that they can access your store for different purposes and to do different tasks. Now that you know that, let me show you how it all works. So once you're able to add users, right, and you upgrade your plan, you'll be able to basically add the user and enter their email address and invite them to your Shopify store. Now, once you create those users, you also have the section called role. You'll be able to assign them role. You can use some of the existing roles that are shown here, or you can easily create a new role. So you can click and add, and you can go ahead and give the role a name. So let's say I give this role a name such as ABC, for example, and you can easily go ahead and describe it, and you can scroll down and just say what kind of permissions you want to give these users. So let's say I want to give them that permission, then you go ahead and you click and save. Now, once you add these roles, then you'll be able to assign these roles when you create those users. As you can see here, I have this role of store owner. And so when you create a new user, you can assign either the role you create or the existing roles that you see here on the roles, right? You can add. Now, you can also edit the existing roles. Let's say you have an existing role here that was already there, and you want to assign these users these roles. You can easily go ahead and assign these roles, or you can modify them if you want to change some kind of the settings there. Now, you may be wondering as well, where's the role that I created? It's not showing. Sometimes you have to just quickly refresh this page here for Shopify for it to really show the role that you create. I don't know why, but that's what happened. Now you can see the role that I created. Now, as I said, for existing role, you can always go ahead and edit them. So let's say for the customer support, I want to change this up. I can click on it and I can just make existing changes, as you can see. So customer support, I want them to read email and so forth. So you can add that and then basically save the role. And so you can work with existing role, or you can create roles, assign them to your users when you create them, and then they'll have that level of permissions that you have given to them. But that's all there is to it, guys. It's super easy and super simple.